Yes, students. So welcome to your SST class. In today's class, we are going to deal with our new chapter, that is chapter number 15 from your geography, that is pollution and its sources. So when we talk about pollution, we all have listened this word about pollution and what does it mean, we all know in a better way. But still, according to the definition that has been given in your book, the contamination of Earth's environment that causes several health problems and imbalance in the ecosystem is termed as pollution. So when we talk about pollution, pollution is a state in which the environment is polluted. Environment is not in appropriate condition where the impurities in the environment are segregated, which increases the health related issues and creates an imbalance in the ecosystem. Right? So that case, that situation is known as a pollution. So when we talk about pollution, what are the causes of the pollution? Pollution is caused by the pollutants. Now when we talk about pollutants, pollutants are the impurities of unwanted substances. These are the impurities of unwanted substances which are released into the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, which pollutes these different spheres of the earth. When we talk about these pollutants, pollutants are of two types. The first one is biodegradable and the second one is non-biodegradable. When we talk about biodegradable substances or the pollutants which can be decomposed. Now when we talk about biodegradable pollutants, so these can be decomposed by the organic substances, we can call it like microorganisms or insects or pests would decompose this after some time, and these do not create a lot of pollution in our atmosphere. The thing is, if the rate of decomposition is less but the rate of production is more, then it is a serious concern for our environment. But until unless its rates of production of the biodegradable pollutants and rate is less than rate of decomposition, then it is not a major concern. But our major concern is these non-biodegradable pollutants, because these non-biodegradable pollutants do not decompose. They are not decomposed. Once they are spread in the environment, they remains there. वो खत्म नहीं होते. So they do not decompose. Right? Moving ahead, when we talk about the pollution is caused by the natural agents as well, and it is caused by the human activities as well. Means we can say that pollution is caused by the natural activities and it is also human induced. When we talk about natural activities like volcanoes or the ashes or forest fire, so these are the natural calamities that creates, or the natural situations that creates pollution. But as we know that nature always has its balance, right? But when we talk about human induced pollution with the advent of the rising population, the resources are depleting. More and more resources are required, because of which resources are depleting, because the process of formation of the resources or replenishment of the resources is very at the lowest rate as compared to the rising population. Moreover, urbanization and industrialization has created lots of pollution, and all these factors are human induced factors. So we can say that the major concern is the human induced pollution that has been caused by the human activities. Now when we talk about the types of pollution, so we are having different types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution and radiation pollution. All of these types of pollutions are having different sources. Their effects are seen on the human population differently, and their effects on the ecosystem is also in the various forms. When we talk about air pollution, when our air is contaminated, water, when our water is not fit for drinking or it has been germicides have taken place, soil, when the soil becomes infertile, noise. Now we know that and a noise which is more than our listening power would always create a mental instability in the human life, in the human body. Radiations are also very great pollution causes, because radiation, when we talk about radiation, take the case of nuclear radiations after the nuclear bomb that was thrown upon the Japan, right? So these are the forms of pollution, and now in the next upcoming videos we will be discussing about all of these types of resources separately. Till then, goodbye, stay blessed.